Jamaican people can't drive. Watch the video, yeah. What you notice? No, you're wrong. What me see is a group of people are crowd together during the pandemic for watch a sport when I require no skill other than to keep the car straight. Now when a youth stand up and watch the sport, yeah, it make him can't wait to get a car and put big horsepower in it and shoot down the road. And this is why so much accident take place on Jamaican roads. Now imagine if we start normalize a few motorsports in Jamaica we actually take skill like drifting, rallying, or toge racing. Motorsports that focus on handling over horsepower. Well, what go happen when people start practice for drift and improve them cornering skills? Them are gonna know how to correct themselves out of a skid if them ever skid out on the main road, or how to maneuver out of a dangerous position, which in turn make roads safer and more fun for drive on. In conclusion, until we start normalize motorsports like drifting, rallying, and toge racing in a Jamaica to inspire youths them to go out and practice for themselves, more accidents go up on the roads. Cause Jamaican people can't drive.
Oh my god! Are you okay?
Yeah.